Do you need to sell your house fast in University Heights? We're here to help because we buy houses in University Heights. Hi, I'm Brian Malo, president of Trusted House Buyers. Sometimes selling a house the conventional way is not always a good option, especially if you need cash fast or if your home has a lot of deferred maintenance or needs a lot of repairs. Maybe you're facing a foreclosure, maybe you've inherited a house, or maybe you're faced with job loss, divorce, or relocation. Maybe you just want to sell a house without a realtor to save on all those expensive fees. But one of our passions is to help homeowners just like you. If you're asking yourself, who will buy my house fast in University Heights, or how do I sell my house fast in University Heights, you've come to the right place. In life, unexpected things can happen, and we certainly understand this. And in these moments when the stress becomes overwhelming and the house becomes a burden, it's sometimes hard to know where to even turn. Well, I'm here today at one of our great parks right here in University Heights to tell you that there is a way out and we can be of help. Because remember, we buy houses in University Heights. It's a realistic option for you to consider, and it can be very fair, fast, and painless if you decide to work with us. Look, I've purchased dozens and dozens of homes over the years, and we probably have seen your situation before. And we've likely helped those folks out, just like we can help you out too. We've helped homeowners in all kinds of situations sell their homes fast for cash. We buy houses as is, kind of like this one, with no cost to you. You do not have to do any repairs, and there are no closing fees or realtor commissions that you pay. We can close on the date of your choosing, or in as little as a few days. You won't be dealing with a contracted third party, a giant Wall Street company, or a national firm who's out of town and who claims to be a local. You'll deal with a real, local, experienced homebuyer who has the authority to make the purchase decision and help you out in your particular situation. Our process is really very simple. When you contact us because you might be thinking, how do I sell my house fast, or who will buy my house, we will ask you a few simple questions about your home. After our initial evaluation, you'll receive a fair, no obligation offer. There is never any pressure, and you can certainly say no at any time. Once you accept our offer, we visit the property, answer your questions, and verify the information that you shared with us. If you want to move forward, we sign a sales agreement. The transaction is all above board, and it's handled with a reputable, local, licensed, third-party title company. We schedule a closing date with you that's convenient for your schedule, or as soon as a few days later. And then we close as planned, as contracted, and you get your money immediately. No funny business. Now, our company is a well-respected and locally owned family business right here out of San Diego County. We're neighbors, and we live and work here too. We are accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and we are 5-star rated on Google. You may have even read about us in the San Diego Union Tribune or the San Diego Business Journal. With Trusted House Buyers, you are going to get the best of both worlds, the experience, expertise, and resources of the big guy, but with the service, care, and flexibility of a neighborhood partner. There's no commitment if you speak with us, and there's certainly no obligation if we give you an offer. I assure you, your satisfaction is very important to us. This is an important decision, and what you decide to do and who you decide to deal with is critical to the successful outcome of the transaction. We are that partner. We handle everything and can walk you through each step so there are no tricks, no misunderstandings, and certainly no confusion throughout the entire process. Call us now for a free and confidential offer to sell your house. If you like it, great. If not, that's okay too. You can always keep it in your back pocket in case you need it someday. Remember, we buy houses in University Heights, so give us a call today, 619-786-0973. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you very soon.